Welcome to the testing word. In this session, we are going to understand how we can find out app activity, or we can call it main or splash activity, and app package means application package. First of all, we need to understand why we need these app activity and app package. Then we are going to understand what is this app activity, or I'll say main activity, and app package, and then I'll show you how we can find it. So first of all, we need to understand what do you mean by the application package, or we can call it app package. While working on automation, when we are going to execute our test cases on any app means any Android app. So when we are going to execute any test case, it's going to execute either on a virtual device or on a real device. But I have many applications, or I'll say app, which are installed on my device. Now how I will identify a specific application, like I want to work on this specific calendar application. How do we identify that? By the name? Answer is no. Two apps can have same name. Then how we can identify? Here the difference is that app package. This app package is unique for all the applications which are placed on the Google Store, Google Play Store. So if I take an example, I am a developer, I have designed a new app, I want to push my app to the Google Play Store. So whenever we are pushing our application on the Google Play Store, we will have to put a unique application package, means app package. And the same unique app package we are going to use to identify any application on which we want to work on. So I give you an example, like if you install any application on this device, all the applications which are installed on this device having a unique package, and we can identify application by using that unique package, and only that application will be triggered. So here we can understand all the applications which are installed or which we are going to install on any Android device that will have a unique app package. It's not like I'm setting the package. Whenever developer is putting it to the Google Play Store, they will have to provide a unique app package, else you cannot put your application on the Google Play Store. So all the applications which we are going to test would have a unique application package, and I'm going to use same package when we are going to develop automation script in Appium. So first of all, we have seen what is the use of app package. Now I'm coming to the app activity, or we call it app main or splash activity. So whenever we are working on any application, we are having multiple pages on the application. If I give you an example here, and I want to work on this calendar, so as I double click on this, first page of the application is opened. If you perform some more action, a new page will be open. Point over here is all the pages which exist in any application. Each page is called activity. Whenever we are working on any application and when we trigger it, if I show you again, when we tap on any application, first page which is opened, I have told you each page is called activity. So first activity which is opened is called main activity or splash activity. So point here is, on any application, on any Android application, we have multiple pages in that application. Each page is called activity. Whenever we trigger any application, the first page which is opened, we call it main activity or splash activity. While automating our application by using Appium, we need two data. One is application main activity, or we can call it splash activity, and also application package. So we have seen what is main or splash activity and what is application package or app package. Also, I have told you, for automating any application by using Appium, we need this splash activity and application package. So we have covered what is activity and what is package, and we have already seen why we need that. In automation, we need this main activity and application package to trigger any application, to automate any application. Now I'll show you how we can find out activity, or I'll say the main activity and application package. So first I'm going to show you how we can find out application package. For finding out the application package, first of all I need to install my application on the device. So how we can install it? So first of all I need to move to that location where your application is placed. So that's the location where my application is placed. Now copy this address and open command prompt. I need to install my application on my device, and we have already seen previously while working on ADB that how we can install any application on the device. So I'm just moving to that location where my application is placed, and now I'm writing ADB install and my application name. So my application name is the testingword.apk. As I enter, so you will notice it is installing my application on the device. Once it is done, now I'm going to the device, and here you can notice my application is here. My application is installed. Now I want to pick application package. For that, just open your application. I just tap on my application and application will be opened. So here we can see that application is opened. Now we need to move to the place where you have installed Android SDK. So in my system it's E drive Android. Here we are going to get a folder with the name SDK tools. Inside the tools we are going to get UI Automator Viewer. I just click on this, it will start UI Automator Viewer. We have already seen this UI Automator Viewer while fetching element locators. Now click on this. It will take screenshot of my device. Screenshot of my device means whatever which is displayed on my device, it will take the screenshot of that. So as of now on my device, this screen is visible. It will take screenshot of that screen, and by that we can find out app package. So if you notice, it shows that's a screen which displayed on my device. If you notice on the right hand side, we are getting a package. So that's the package of my application. So here we can see there's the package. I can copy it, and that's my application package. So first I have shown you how we can find out application package, and that we have seen. Now I'll show you how we can find out app main activity, or we can call it splash activity. For that I'm closing this UI Automator Viewer, because by UI Automator Viewer we can pick only package, not activity. So I'm just closing this. Also I'm closing this app here. So I'm just coming back to my main screen of my device. Now go to a command prompt. I'm just clearing the screen. Write ADB log cat. It is going to show you logs of your device. As of now, that's the logs which are showing over here. Now what I'm doing, I'm just starting my application. I just tap my application. Whatever you have done, logs are moving. Now we need to analyze a log a bit. What we need to do, if you check it here in the few lines up, if you check it here, Android intent category launcher, so you are getting some data here. CMP means where we are getting main, means that's my main activity, or I'll say splash activity. If you notice here, so developers set this splash activity like this, and here we have the splash. So I'm just copying that, and I'll show you how we can work on that. So first I'm copying what they have written, like, and it was a complete text splash. So I'm talking about this one, com.example.work the testing word / dot splash. So here developer said like this: if there is a / we need to remove that, and whatever part is remaining, whatever part is pending, that is my main activity. So if I give you an example, here my main activity is this. If you notice here, that's my activity, or I'll say the main activity. I give you one more example. If I'm going to my application again, I'm just closing it. I open any other application like calendar. I just tap on it. Going to the logs again. If you notice here, it is showing the logs for the calendar, and here Android intent action main. And if you notice here, CMP is equal to, so my activity, or I'll say main activity name is, I'm just copying and I'll show you. So here the main activity is coming like this, and the full name was all-in-one activity ITY. So I'm just copying the same text ITY, and we need to remove this /. So that is my main activity for the calendar. So here we have seen how we can fetch app main or splash activity, and these two values we are going to use while automating our application through Appium, because Appium is going to execute your application on the device. Appium will have to connect with the unique application, with the specific application which you want to automate. So that unique application can be found out by using this app package. And we need to also define what is the main activity, what is the first activity, or I'll say what is the first page which is going to be open on the application. That can be found out by using this main activity. So here we have seen how we can find out main activity or app package. That's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video.